Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a video showing you 9 of the new pressed powder shadows from Colourpop from their festival collection. I'm not sure if it's limited edition. There's a bunch of satin lips and eyeshadows, 24 total for the new pressed eyeshadows. I only picked them 9 because I felt like only 9 of them I needed in my collection. I really do enjoy the Colourpop pressed shadows. I already owned 4, so I wanted to try out more of the Colourpop shades. So sometimes they run a promotion. When you buy 4, you get a discount and you get a palette. They've changed their palettes. I don't have any of the original cardboard type palettes that people use, like cut out and make more room for shadows. I like these more. For me, because I have so many empty magnetic palettes, I find this to be more helpful for me because when I travel, I can bring, I have 2 of these because I made a purchase of 9, so 8 would give me 2. This one has a mirror and it's just magnetic strip and you can fit 4 shadows. So I feel like if I was going to travel, shadows that will fit this size, because it's a standard, pretty much a standard size for an eyeshadow. So if I bring these 2 and I fill them with 2 different types of eyeshadow looks, or one all matte and one all shimmer, then that could be what I use when I travel. So I do have other magnetic palettes as well. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, I'm going to do a video of it after I use the Colourpop Yes Please palette. And on my lips is the Sonia Kashuk Velvety Matte Lip Crown and Pinky Nude. Anyway, I'm going to talk about the palettes in a different video, but I'm going to show you guys my magnetic palette. This will be my haul for the month of April because I did buy it this month. It's, oh god, you can't even see it on the camera. It's from the Tarpia Mermaid collection. I did buy that palette. I bought this at a separate time. I bought the palette from Sephora and I didn't pay shipping. This I paid shipping for, so it cost me like $21, but it's very sturdy. I like it a lot better than my cardboard magnetic palette. This one's actually like a plastic. It has a huge mirror. Like, this is a great mirror. The only thing that's bad about it is it doesn't stay up. If you line them up like this, they can fit 30 standard size shadows. What's in this palette, I do have it on my Snupps account. If you guys are curious, it should be TaraMichelleZ as well. I'll have it linked down below there. I'm trying to add all my collection on there, so when I go shopping, what I have. I do have some things on there I do want dupes of if I could get some help from you guys. Mostly nail polishes that are not cruelty free that I still own because all my makeup is cruelty free. So we're going to talk about my colorful shadows at the bottom. The only ones that are not on the bottom 2 rows are this one and this one. Those are from TaraMichelleZ. I will show you guys all the ones that I'm talking about today though. Oh, and this one I'm going to talk about too. I'm going to show you guys each shade and we're going to do some swatches. So this first one is Lay Low. It's a very beautiful peachy matte shade. It's very light. Then we have Tude Mango, which is a light purpley pink matte shade. Very faint, but it does look beautiful on the eyelids. Then I got Prowlin, which is a shimmery lavender shade. Very beautiful. If I was to go back in time and change my purchase, I would not have ordered both Howlin' and Tude Mango. They're too similar. This is a little more cool tone, the other one's a little more warm tone. But I do enjoy these colors. It's like a matte, beautiful matte lavender. I probably wouldn't have ordered the Tude Mango. It's not a big deal. But as you can see, this is Tude Mango and this is Howlin', and they're fairly similar. This is definitely more pink and this is more purple though. Then I have Baseline, which is a shimmery light blue, very pretty, like a sky blue. have this light minty green in La Playa, or La Playa. It says LA Playa, so I thought it was LA Playa, but I've seen people say it as La Playa. So, very pretty. Minty green. I find that this one and Baseline are more of a topper shade. Then we have Formation, which is a matte teal. Then we have Slay Fair, which is a shimmery teal. Turquoise. Teal. I don't know the difference sometimes. I think it's teal. And those actually pair well together. I think Slay Fair will look great over Formation. And last but not least, we have Backstage. This one I find to be the most pigmented, but a little bit harder to work with. And it's a beautiful cobalt blue, which is something very unique, especially to my collection. So those are the colors I picked up. Those are the colors I picked up from the new pressed powder shadows from Colourpop, the festival collection. The rest of them are fairly warm tone and neutral, which I have a million of. These are unique to my collection in my opinion. I've actually used all the shades already, so I do know how they perform for the most part. I do really like them. I find that the paler mattes are harder to work with and they are not crease shades, maybe transition, but I would probably use them packed on the lid, wet, and they would show up well. I tried them in the crease and they were so. I do have an Instagram post of a lavender lilac-y look that I did with mostly these shadows. So next time I do a look with these shades, I'll definitely post on Instagram for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you're purchasing from the Colourpop Festival collection. Maybe you purchased some of the satin lips. I have one satin lip. I wasn't interested in any of those colors. I have products. I don't need any more right now, so I am interested in the ultra blotted lips. I'm not placing an order currently, so the next order I want to place is for Supernova shadows. The blotted lips are going to be far in the future. So that's it, and I will see you guys later.